Hammond Collection, Hammond Collection, Hammond Collection. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the Jurassic World Hammond Collection, Baryonyx, the Jurassic World Hammond Collection, Parasaurolophus. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Dinosaur Channel. This is your home on the internet for all things dinosaur and prehistoric. As well, you can become a member on this channel, join, and unlock cool icons and emojis you can use when interacting with our channel. As well, recently, we have been unboxing Jurassic World, Dominion, toys, and collectibles. And today we've got an amazing Hammond Collection special. We're going to be opening up the first two major Hammond Collection releases. There are a few other ones from this collection that are out already, but I'm not going to be picking them up because they're either human figures or the Velociraptor, which I'm not really interested in. And for those of you guys who don't know what the Hammond Collection is, it's a play on the Amber Collection, which came on during the Fallen Kingdom releases. We had this amazing, beautiful, highly detailed Amber Collection models that came out. This is the Amber Collection infamous Dilophosaurus, which was a very hard figure to get your hands on. I've got one like this, and I've got one that's actually packaged up, never been opened. This is one of my prized possessions. Dilophosaurus was, I think it went out of print, or they didn't have a proper release of it, and it's very hard to get, but I think it's one of the most beautiful figures that exist, period, of Jurassic Park, Jurassic World merchandise. It's absolutely perfect. It's immaculate. But of course, today we're going to be covering the Hammond Collection, which is the new take on that Amber Collection. And we've got two figures, the Baryonyx, the Parasaurolophus. So let's just jump right in. We'll start off with the Baryonyx. It's the one I'm less excited for because I've got so many amazing Baryonyx figures from the Fallen Kingdom line. But we'll start off with this one anyways because I'm curious to see what's in this package. Alrighty, so let's put this Parasaurolophus to the side and we'll open up the Baryonyx figure first. So, little information about these guys. They are available exclusively at the moment at Target. As for the Amber Collection, I'm pretty sure they were available in Target and Walmart and also Amazon. These guys went up on Amazon, but I couldn't find them to purchase. They were pre-ordered and I think it said they were going to release in June. So right now, the only place you can find them is either Target online or Target in store. So again, just to take a look here, I forgot to go over the packaging. We've got, obviously, John Hammond inside of an amber piece, which is a nice little play on John Hammond. I like that very much. On the back, we've got a pretty cool render of the model itself. Pretty beautiful. Sides, we've got picture of the Baryonyx in sort of a cartoony looking way. I've never seen this render of the Baryonyx. It's pretty cool. Oh, that's the toy. Okay, that's actually the toy. That's pretty cool. And yeah, of course, on the front, we have this really nice sort of beveled Jurassic Park logo. The dinosaur is beveled there. You can touch it. So let's pull it out of the packaging. On the inside of this packaging, you kind of see this like reddish tinted background art of the jungle. Pull out. I think this actually pulled out and you can use this as a display. We're not going to though because these were definitely going to be repacked up by me. I'm going to be putting them back into the packaging because I like to keep these in the box pristine as possible. But of course, we got to open these on camera. And wow, just opening it up right now, the way that it comes, it looks phenomenal. This has got to be the best Baryonyx I own, for sure. From the Jurassic World line. Yeah, it's not historically accurate in the slightest, but wow, that looks phenomenal. I'm actually really impressed. They did an amazing job with this. All right, let's pop out the tail first. So we've got that tail. It looks like, I'm pretty sure there's a wire in there, yeah. So super posable. It feels really nice in the hands, actually. Really, really nice tail. And then you can see sort of the joint down there. And let's open her up. She's got some little plastic strings that we need to release her from. So that's one, that's two, and her mouth has one. This one's a little bit trickier. Found the strategy of taking these out. All right, here we go. Let's release the Baryonyx from its plastic cage and let's attach that tail to this wonderful model. I actually wonder if this will be easy to take off after. I don't think it will, so I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, that just clicks in pretty nicely right there. And we've got the Baryonyx from the Hammond Collection all put together. Very nice and beautiful. Look at that. That is incredible. That is an amazing Baryonyx. So we've got articulation all over the freaking place. We've got the head, or sorry, sort of the neck joints right there, move like that. Then we've got the head, posable as well. So kind of got that range of motion. And then we've got the mouth that opens up not so wide as you think it would for a Baryonyx. I mean, it's kind of wide, but not that wide. And then we've got arm sort of at the shoulder there, and then another one there, so you can articulate like that. And then for the feet, we've got those hips, those knees, those ankles, and the feet. We've got a lot of range of motion here. You can really use your imagination on these ones. That is some amazing posability. I mean, we could straight up have a Baryonyx flying through the sky right there. Look at that. Hyper speed Baryonyx is zooming past you. Look at that. Look at that Superman pose Baryonyx. All right, let's see how this thing stands. So we'll try to pose it up in a standing position. Yeah, beautiful. Wow, it stands very easily. I thought it was going to be more difficult to have stand up. Actually, it stands very, very well. This thing is very well made, you can see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Baryonyx right there. Hammond Collection. Beautiful figure. Absolutely amazing. The detail on the osteoderms, the scales on the back, those scoots are amazing. Very, very crocodilian. And of course the posability in the tail. Being able to move that wire around, have it stay in place. That's really, really cool. Right now I'm sort of using his tail to stand up. But wow, man, what a figure. That is incredible. This has got to be one of the most movie accurate items that have ever come out from Mattel. I would even say more so than the Dilophosaurus. That's really, really amazing, actually, I have to say. Try to stand up like that. No bend in the feet. Can it stand? Oh, it does even. Wow. You really make it a little taller. Tall Baryonyx. It's a tall order of Baryonyx right there. Look at that little baby boy. So cool. Love it. Absolutely love this one. This is an amazing figure. Okay, that's a great job on the Baryonyx. It's got a very high seal of approval. I'm wondering if I can actually pull out the tail or no. That's not going to come out, is it? Ever again. I guess not. Alright, so that was the Baryonyx. Here he is standing kind of drunk. It's going to let him lay on his face right there. Next up, we've got the Parasaurolophus from the Lost World. Very, very exciting. So let's open this up. Actually, packaging-wise, this is what we got on the packaging. Same as the other one. We've got that sort of beveled Jurassic Park logo there. Here we've got on the back the logo from the Lost World, of course, showing which movie it's from originally. So this is the Lost World Parasaurolophus. There's the toy itself in some cool sunset lighting. Hammond in his amber right there. And let's pop this sucker open. Let's see what's inside, baby. Here we go. So I think same concept for this one. It's got that sort of sunset rainforest background on the inside. And we've got the plastic mold right there. Amazing. We got to release this thing from its plastic shackles as well. I think she's good now. All right, let's pull out the tail segment first. We got beautiful Parasaurolophus tail right there. Absolutely amazing. Nice markings. Just gorgeous. And then we got the Parasaurolophus figure itself. Just wow. This has got to be... That's got to be the most beautiful Parasaurolophus that's ever come out. That's incredible. I'm going to compare this real quick to my original Lost World Parasaurolophus. So this one's really based off of the Stan Winston maquette of the Parasaurolophus. It's looking at it now, I would even say that this one feels even a little bit more accurate. Maybe the face on this one has gone a little bit more Jurassic World Evolution-esque, but it's beautiful, the markings, everything. So let's pop the tail in. Struggled with that on the last one and move that in the right direction. So yeah, wow, she's got some heft to her. She's got a long neck. She's got a nice little opening mouth, I think. Yeah, wow. Beautiful mouth with a really nice tongue in there. That's really cool, the way they sculpted the tongue. And I think for posability wise, this would be really easy to pose it as a quadruped or as a biped. So let's do a little quadrupedal stance here. So yeah, look at that. We've got a little quadruped stance. Chilling on the ground, all fours, maybe even grazing. You know how she do. You know how the Parasaurolophus be doing. Just like that. And then we've got the bipedal stance. Getting ready to run. Getting ready for action. Look at that. Fantastic articulation. Let's see if this will actually stand. I think it will. Just needs a little bit of work. Yeah, there you go. Bipedally standing Parasaurolophus. Beautiful articulation all over the heckin' place. We've got articulation in the head. We've got articulation in the mouth. We've got articulation in the neck. We've got articulation in the arms, in the shoulders. We've got articulation in the legs, in the feet. Make it stand completely straight. We've got some pretty sick runner calf muscles right there, if you peep those out. We've got beautiful striping, that red, yellow, mustard yellow looking thing. Look, he looks like a kangaroo right now. This looks like it's about to hop all over the place, like ba-dung, 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 ba-dung. Out of here, you know what I'm saying? Fantastic. I don't really know what else there is to be said about these figures. They are absolutely beautiful. I'm in love. I'm really excited to see what else they come out with. You know, my Amber collection stuff is sealed in the box. I like to try to keep these guys sealed as well, but considering I won't really be able to repack these guys now that the tails are in, unless they figure out a way to do it, I might be displaying all these Hammond collection figures. I think the most amazing thing about this is the prospects and the possibilities that are yet to come. So, for example, Mattel definitely botched the baby Tyrannosaurus Rex in the Amber collection. It just came out bad. It looked horrible. And I think this is something that they could definitely redo in this collection and give us a really, really spectacular looking one. And of course, Mattel absolutely slammed down, did a horrible job on Echo. Echo got the Camp Cretaceous color scheme, while all the other Raptors got their original schemes from Jurassic World. And Echo is undoubtedly the most beautiful Velociraptor from the whole Raptor squad, and it got botched. So for me, when they come out with a Velociraptor squad, if they do Echo, I'll be the first one to pick it up. I'll pick up 10. I love Echo, and we don't have a single toy that represents Echo in a nice way. So I'm very happy with these guys. We've got, of course, Parasaurolophus in its most beautiful and amazing design. Check that out. And we've got Baryonyx in its most beautiful and amazing design. Here, the Hammond collection on the Dinosaur channel. Guys, keep in mind, I'm going to be collecting a bunch of these. We got so many Dominion toys ready to come out on this channel that I'm going to be reviewing and showing to you guys. It's just crazy. We've got so many lined up. So make sure you're subscribed and turn those notifications so you don't miss a single dinosaur video I make in the future. As well, you can become a member on this channel. Join and unlock cool icons and emojis you can use when interacting with our channel. As well, suggest any toys or dinosaurs or prehistoric creatures you'd like to see us cover on this channel in the future. And we'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys very much. Goodbye.